Hello everyone, my name is Kari Balakrishna. I'm an independent business consultant and a life coach. So we all in our life face a problem of expanding our business. So what are the areas we lack in and how we can expand our business rapidly? So what are the common challenges we face when we try to expand our business? See, expansion of business is particularly depend on how much you are expanding yourself. So there are a lot of examples where you can understand why I am lacking of not my business has been expanded and why not I am not able to achieve uh, the results what other people are achieving in their business. Let's say you are stuck between 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Now you want to grow rapidly, aggressively towards the goal of 10 lakh, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs, or maybe 1 crore. You want to take your business to the next level. So why you are not unable to take the business to the next level? See, basically what happens, it's your limited belief and once see these are the both parameters of a business and yourself. Once if you want to take your business to this level and you are right now in this level, so eventually what will happen, the business will come down to your level. If you want to take your business to this level, you have to go this level so that you can your business can come from this level to this level. So this is the basic formula of thing. If you want to grow your business, you have to grow yourself first. You have to think that I can make a 1 crore, 5 crore, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 50,000, whatever the amount is suitable for you. So as long as you start to grow yourself, then you can grow your business rapidly. So we can help you regarding your mental beliefs, your problems and challenges. We can work on that thing and we can help you out if you have any business goal and if you want to develop your business and you want to make more money out of your business, then you can contact us. Thank you so much. My name is Kari Balakrishna. I'm a business development officer, independent business consultant and a life coach. Thank you so much.